It stays a world away.
Yes.
I don't want to have another repeat of that. There's nothing right now headed our way in the tropics, but Harvey was a very long track system. It came off of Africa on the 13th of August out near the Cape Verde Islands. It then made its track across the Atlantic. By the 17th of the month, it gained tropical storm status. That's when it got the name Harvey. Over that weekend before landfall, it fell apart in the Caribbean. It was just a depression, a little tropical low, and then on the 23rd, 2 days before landfall, regained tropical storm strength, and in that 2-day period, rapid intensification from a tropical storm to a Category 4 hurricane, making landfall again on San Jose Island, very close to the Rockport, Fulton area. And I was thinking about the coverage on this. This was the first major hurricane to impact the U.S. in the digital age. It had been since Katrina that we had a big major storm like this hit the U.S. And it was just kind of it was surreal being a part of that coverage. It packed a lot of wind. The Cat 4 major hurricane winds, the Cat 3 major winds extended as far inland as Refugio, but cities like Port Aransas, Rockport, Fulton, Lamar, all of that area was very badly impacted by Harvey. It was a big wind event here and then transitioned more to a rain and big flooding rain episode in the following days in southeastern Texas. 95 out today. No hint of any tropical systems in our skies. East wind at 16 miles per hour. It's very clear out. There is some upper level energy moving into Mexico. That's where these showers came in from. They're down near the Rio Grande, but overall Texas is fairly quiet. We're going to see this high move away from us over the weekend, and as it moves off to the west, it's going to open the door for a little front to stall out near the I-10 corridor on Monday, and that placement is why temperatures are going to shoot up on Monday. I think Monday could be the hottest day of the year so far. This then slides a little farther south as a tropical disturbance moves into the eastern Gulf, and we will catch a chance for some showers or storms Monday night into Tuesday. But with that front being just to the north of us on Monday, I've got a 104-degree high temperature, heat index up around 118. We don't cool off with the front, but we do catch some rainfall because of it. Again, Monday, Tuesday, starting in the nighttime on Monday and then into Tuesday, we've got those rain chances in place. The tropics are active in the Atlantic. Again, this tropical wave, Invest 93L, it's in the western Caribbean right now, and it's going to be moving into the eastern Gulf where development is likely. So this will be a Florida storm. It will not come into the western Gulf. We are not concerned about this at all here in Texas. Tonight, 77, few clouds out, light and variable winds overnight. Tomorrow, upper 90s with the heat index around 110. Winds will pick up to around 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. So glass-like, very smooth in the morning on area bays. And we'll see a 3 to 12 knot wind on area waters. Sunday, 101. And again, Monday, with that front being just to the north, if we get to 104, it would be the hottest day of the year so far. The payoff, hopefully, a little bit of rain Monday night and into Tuesday. We'll continue to follow that. Doesn't look like a huge episode, but 104, that would be something. We've gotten as high as 103 this year.
Goodness.
Hopefully we don't do it, but
Yeah.
103,
There it is.
104.
Yeah.
At this point, it's almost all the same.
Oh.
Alan